Hi guys, how are you? I really hope everything is okay with you all. Welcome to another informative video, is not intended to influence you to buy a product. In recent days it has grown a lot and has become a trend. We are talking about the famous Fast Lean Pro. Fast Lean Pro is a scientifically proven product that can help you lose weight. But before proceeding, it is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety when buying, I left in the description of this video the official link of Fast Lean Pro, where you can take advantage of a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about the product. What is Fast Lean Pro? Fast Lean Pro is a dietary supplement designed to help people with weight loss difficulties. Japanese scientists have found that intermittent fasting is the fastest and most effective way in weight loss. Fast Lean Pro carries the powerful formula of 11 powerful nutrients that will make you lose weight faster, to trick your brain into saying that you are fasting. Fast Lean Pro accelerates metabolism and helps in burning fats accumulated within your body. Remember that it is not transgenic. Benefits of Fast Lean Pro. Fast Lean Pro promotes weight loss through ingredients that suppress appetite, speed up metabolism or follow fat absorption, making you feel more satisfied with smaller portions of food. It contains substances that promote an increase in metabolism, which results in a greater burning of calories. It contains stimulants that provide an energy boost, which helps improve motivation for physical exercise. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Warranty. Fast Lean Pro offers 100% warranty for its customers of 180 days for product return, full or empty bottles. If you are not fully satisfied with the product in the period of 180 days, just contact us by email or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions and questions as to why. Formula. The formula consists of a wonderful blend of 20 clinically proven high-quality natural super ingredients, which are niacin, vitamin B12, chromium, fibersol 2, sucre and biogenic polyamine complex. Conclusion. If you want to know more about Fast Lean Pro and want to check the information closely, I will be leaving the link in the description for more information. Be sure to visit the site for free. I'm sure it will help you clarify many doubts. Write here in the comments your opinion about Fast Lean Pro and if you have already used Fast Lean Pro. If you liked Fast Lean Pro, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire Fast Lean Pro. Kisses, and until the next video.